Hello there. In this video we're going to be showing you the IVR feature on Hostcomm's hosted telephony service. The IVR is used as an entry point into the system. For example, with an inbound call, typical IVR would prompt the caller for several options: sales, support, accounts, that sort of thing, and when the caller presses a button it would route the call through to a particular department: sales, support, accounts, something like that. So that's what we're going to show you next. Okay, so the IVR, it's all point and click. There's no scripting, a lot of presets, quite easy to set up. So the first thing to do is move into the specific IVR that we've got here, and what we've got in this particular case is we've got a start. That's when the call hits the IVR first. So the first thing to do, we've actually got it just as an example, set to alter the caller ID. So when the caller ID comes in, we change the caller ID name to, in this particular case, the static value mainline 1. And what this actually does is it changes the caller ID and labels it so that when the call comes in, the recipient of the call, which could be a call center agent or somebody in the office, knows where this particular call has come from, and they can then answer it appropriately. So we can change the caller ID of the inbound call with the IVR there. Okay. But if we're looking at an IVR where we're setting up, 1 for accounts, 2 for support, that sort of thing, we would select this here. So this is edit actions for option 1. So when the person presses 1, what's it going to do? And we've actually got a whole list of presets here. Okay, so we would probably set something like transfer to an extension. Okay, transfer the call to an extension, and we can select whichever extension we want. Okay, so let's pick, transfer it to the sales queue, for example. So 1 for sales. There we go, all done. Simple as that. And then if we wanted to go back and change the option for option 2, there's, if 2 is pressed, edit actions for option 2, as you see there. Might want to select another option there. Okay, so then we'd perhaps push that to Nick. There we go. So pretty straightforward. There are quite a few other things that we can do within the IVR. We can play sound files. As I said, we can change the caller ID. We can jump to another IVR. So we can set up lots and lots of IVRs within underneath the main one. We can set up a feature whereby the caller types in the extension number of the person they're looking for. The IVR will route it directly to that person. As I say, we can play sound files. We can record certain digits that the person, we can prompt the person to enter certain digits, like a unique ID or something like that, and then route them through accordingly. And we can also do time interval actions. So whatever time of day it is, we can do certain things. So it's that covers most of the basics, and there are quite a few other things that we can do as well, just to supplement that. So that's the IVR of Hostcomm's hosted telephony. Thanks very much for your time.